भगवते वासुदेवाय। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलम्.
So we are all Krishna's part and parcel. Mamaivaංsa jivo. So our relationship is eternal. Now we have forgotten. We are thinking that I am not Krishna, I am American, I am Indian. This is our illusion. So by proper method, the method is hearing, and to chant through his ear, you are not American, you are Krishna. You are not American, you are not Indian, you are Krishna. In this way, hearing, oh yes, I am Krishna. This is it. We have to constantly inject, you are not American, you are not Indian, you are not Russian. You are Krishna, you are Krishna. Then, if the mantra has got value, then it comes, oh yes, I am Krishna. Brahma Bhuta Prasanna. Why I was thinking I am Russian and American and this and that? Brahma Bhuta Prasanna. Na sochati na kankhati. As soon as it comes to that state, he has no more lamentation. Here, as American and Indian or Russian, we have got two things, lamentation and hankering. Everyone is hankering. What he does not possess, I must have this. And what he possesses, if it is lost, he is lamenting, oh I have lost. So these two businesses are going on. So long you do not come to Krishna consciousness, these two business will go on, lamenting and hankering. And as soon as you come to Krishna consciousness, you become joyful. There is no reason of lamenting, there is no reason of hankering. Everything is complete, Krishna is complete, so he becomes free. That is Brahma Bhuta state. So, this can be awakened by hearing. Therefore, the Vedic mantra is called Shruti. One has to receive this awakeness through the ear. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu. Always one has to hear and chant about Vishnu. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Then Cheta Darpanam Arjunam. Everything will be clean and he'll come to understand that I am eternal servant of Krishna. When you become Vaishnava, the Brahmanism is already included. General process is, unless one does not come to the Satagun platform, he cannot understand what is Krishna consciousness. That is the general. But the devotional service, Krishna consciousness movement is so nice that simply by hearing about Krishna, you come to immediately to the Brahminical platform. Nashta prayashu abhadreshu nityang bhagavata sevaya. Abhadra. Abhadra means these three qualities of material nature. Even Brahminical quality. The Shudra quality, the Vaishya quality, or the Kshatriya quality, or even Brahman quality. They are all abhadras. Because in Brahman quality, again the same identification comes. Oh, I am Brahmin. Nobody can become Brahmin without birth. I am great, I am Brahmin. This false prestige comes. So he becomes bound up. Even in Brahminical qualities. But when he comes to the spiritual platform actually, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, I am not Brahmin, I am not sannyasi, I am not grihastha, I am not brahmachari, not. These 8 principles, varna, ashram, he denies. Then what you are? Gopi bhattu padakamalu daso dasano daso. I am the servant of the servant of the servant of Krishna. This is self-realization.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.